Hey, today's question is, what are the top 3 things that you need to know to dominate in a luxury market? Well, today we have Brady Sandal. And he led a team that did over $200 million in sales last year. Wait, hold on. $200 million?
Yes.
Where's the money, Brady?
It's in the bank.
But Adrian, go ahead.
So Brady, what are these things that we need to know?
Well, the first thing is you have to know the market. You've got to be clear on what properties are selling and who's buying them. That's most important. So know the inventory of what's moving off the shelf in the market that you want to buy or the market that you want to sell it. These two know how to give you the data that you need for that.
And what else? Give me another one.
Number 2, you've got to understand who's buying and who's selling. You've got to figure out if people are buying, why are they buying, where are they coming from, and what are they looking for. And if they're selling, well, why are they selling and where are they going to and what do they expect for the buyer to pay? And again, these two know how to find buyers and bring the properties that you may want to buy or you may want to sell.
And give us a big one for the end.
Yes.
The big one's always the same. Every luxury brand knows that experience matters. So when you select these two and their team, you're selecting the team that knows how to give a great experience for you and the customers they serve.
And we're going to end this video the way we always do. Ready, Adrian? 1, 2, 3.
Thanks and aloha.